legend is back. The 2025 Kenworth W900L is here, bringing classic American trucking heritage with modern technology. This long-nosed beast is still the king of the highway, but now with more power, better efficiency, and an interior design for the ultimate driver experience. So stick around as we take a deep dive into everything new in the 2025 Kenworth W900L. For decades, the Kenworth W900L has been the symbol of power and reliability in the trucking industry. This long-hood classic is the trucker's dream, a perfect blend of tradition and performance. But in 2025, Kenworth has taken it to a whole new level. One look at the new W900L, and you know it's built for dominance. The extended hood and bold grille remain as signature elements, but now with modern aerodynamic enhancements for better fuel efficiency. The classic rectangular headlights are now integrated with advanced LED technology, giving this truck a mean and aggressive look at night. Customization is key. Whether it's chrome accents, special paint jobs, or airbrushed murals, the 2025 W900L is designed to be personalized by owners who take pride in their ride. But under the hood, the 2025 Kenworth W900L packs some serious muscle. You can choose between the legendary Packard X15 and the mighty Cummins X15, delivering up to 605 horsepower and 2050 lb-ft of torque, whether you're hauling freight across the country or conquering steep grades. This truck is built to perform, and with improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The W900L isn't just about brute force. It's also about getting the job done smarter. Step inside and you'll find a driver's paradise. The 2025 W900L brings a perfect mix of retro style and modern comfort. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster alongside classic analog gauges for that old-school feel. An upgraded 15-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected on the. For long-haul truckers, the sleeper cab is better than ever. With more space, a high-end mattress, climate control, and a premium sound system, you'll feel right at home, even on the road. Safety is a top priority in the new W900L. Advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system help make long-distance driving safer and more efficient. Plus, Kenworth's SmartNav system provides real-time navigation and truck-friendly route planning. Truckers love the W900L for its power, comfort, and unmistakable presence on the road. It's a workhorse that commands respect wherever it goes. Whether you're a seasoned owner-operator or just starting in the industry, the 2025 Kenworth W900L is the ultimate trucking machine. So what do you think of the 2025 Kenworth W900L? Is it the best truck of the year? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome truck reviews here on Auto World. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.